rule of 100, really what that means, if you're 70 years old, subtract your age from 100, that gives you 30, right? So by this rule that's been around for several decades, by the rule of 100, you would keep no more than 30% of your assets that you've accumulated for retirement subjected to risk in the stock market. Okay. So if you were 60, no more than 40% in the stock market. So a lot of advisors have used that rule over the years. Some disregard it completely. Some say it's garbage. You need 100% invested in the market because you're going to live, and if people are living longer, longevity is a concern. And so I'm very flexible on this rule. So for everybody, they all have a different appetite for risk. Everybody drives a little different speed on the highway. Some people like to go in that right lane to 55 and they're comfortable. They don't want to go 57 or 58. They want to do 55. Some people want to drive 75 in a 55 and they run the risk. And, sometimes you get the reward, which is a speeding ticket. So the rule of 100, very easy to understand. I would tell you this, that is a very similar thing. It's a conversation that I have with my clients, my prospective clients. When we sit down and we find out overall how much money they have to work with, we're going to have that conversation about how much of it do they want to have. And you do need growth. People are living to their mid 80s, late 80s, early 90s all the time. So there's a chance you can live to be 95 and you don't want to run out of money. So if you back out completely and if you don't have a substantial pension and or Social Security combination, you have to start withdrawing. And if you're not taking some risk to get some growth, you could run out of money, and that's not a good thing.